Hey, welcome back. You might be wondering, why am I sitting where the grinder's supposed to be, and why is the grinder not here? This is a tilting mount for my grinder, made by Ameribraid. So basically, I can flip my grinder to 90, can bring it back down, and lock it down. This drill press has got to move. So, I'm gonna put it right there. Okay. All this. I don't want that there. Alright, I'll just mark that out with a pencil. Oh, pencil's too long. Well, there it is mounted up. I still need to figure out the VFD and cords and stuff, but man. So I need to run this cord through the table, so I'm just gonna drill a big hole right there. I was gonna put a hole there, but there's actually a piece going across down there, so I can't really go through there. So I'm gonna go right there instead. There we go. There we go. Alright, well, this is all set up. I've got it all hooked up to the VFD. VFD's on the wall. I've got my small wheel holders up there. And then all that. But I'm super happy with this. This thing is awesome. It's gonna total game changer. Just being able to flip it from vertical to horizontal. That's awesome. Yeah, I'm super excited to have the drill press and the buffer now over here, and then the tilting mount for the grinder. I think it's going to be super awesome. I'm really excited to use the horizontal tilting feature. I think it's going to make some things a lot easier. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good one.